the theory around these are a little bit quieter and a little bit more flight time. That's kind of their MO, you know, that's kind of their modus operandi. So, all right, so let's get her launched. Hey, this is Dad Random. How you doing? It is Sunday Fun Day, and I finally got the quirks out of the AVATA. I had a bunch of update issues. I couldn't get it to connect so I could launch last night, and I had a perfect day. So, you know what? Sometimes you just gotta move ahead to a different day and get it right. And I think I have it right. So what I want to do today is show you the flight performance of the new Master Airscrew 3-bladed props. The theory around these are a little bit quieter and a little bit more flight time. That's kind of their MO, you know, that's kind of their modus operandi. So, all right, so let's get her launched, and we'll get it out there where we can see it, and hopefully we'll get some good flight feedback. All right, so we'll be right back when we're ready to launch. All right, we're in manual mode. Took me a minute. Here we go. She's out there. Now we got to do it from the air. Okay, she's a little windy out today, so we're getting a little bit of sideways motion, and I won't be able to go out too far. I do have the I'm supposed to have the hack in there. It should be in there, but I didn't get any notification. It sure looks good though. I'm just saying I'm not getting any breakup being the wrong direction with my antenna. All right, let's go around the school. There's a test. Get away from the people. Oh crap! Gotta watch out for the sticks. Yeah, she's doing good. We're behind the school. That's good. Kids playing catch. Won't bug them. Won't bug those people freaking walking. 58%. And take her out a little bit. Boy, she is loud. And so I would say that right off the bat, there is no pitch difference whatsoever with these props. Not at all. It's so nice though. These are the Pro goggles. These are not the Integras. And with the Integras, I wish we could do. I think we could do standard OSD. But we're way out there. This is great. That's far enough for manual. But a little too, guys, we're in a 4S bird, so we can't, we're not going to get that really speedy punch out. And we're good, looking good. Those colors are pretty good. I think the Integras are a little bit clearer than these. I think because they're simpler. It's a heck of a lot Yeah, be careful because I have no ability to punch out of a problem. So I've got to be very careful with the AVATA. Remember, this is not a bird for, this is what this bird's for right here. Getting those speedy low shots, but we're good. We're 40. We're going to be dumping battery here pretty soon. Boy, she is loud and obnoxious. And yeah, I just don't like loud and obnoxious. Uh-oh, the killer tree is starting to get leaves. Just keep clear of that ugly sucker. See, I'm just telling you right now that this is not pleasant. So, quieter? Nope. Time-wise, I don't know. I really don't see a major difference except for what they look like. So, now that we're basically munching battery here at the end, we're at the 30% rate. This is where you just got to stay away from anything that can harm you, because you will not punch out of it. You guys that are flying like the Cine bots and the Cine logs, you guys get that added benefit, you know, of having, let's see, of having that little extra punch out. Yeah, we just got to get around there. What I need to do is drop the 27%. Yeah, I should probably be flying at that. I used to have it because when I was flying the FPV, I used to fly at a really low percentage because it was so fast. But with this one, anyway, we're gonna bring her back. So let's hit the pause. This is the one nice thing you can do is we can hit the pause. Ooh man, she breaks a ton in pause. So, especially with these props, I don't know what that means. That braking is very, very, very abrupt. Bring her in. And let's hover a little bit. Put her in sport mode. Let's put her in normal mode. Bring her out in front of us. Alright, there she is. There she is. Loud as hell. All right, that was a sketchy landing. So, be right back. All right, Dad Random. Just a little bit of feedback. I do not like these at all. They're loud. If you notice, there's already some wear on here, and that's if you look at the rake, that these are going to catch, you know, on anything that is below the depth of this. That is not good. I'm going to actually put I'm going to put my other ones back on. I don't see any advantage. Now, of course, I haven't tried the 4-bladed props, or this, I think they're 4. No, 3-bladed props. Yeah. You know, actually, no, they're 4s, right? Because these are the standard props, which are basically 5s. And I think the sweet spot might be 3, but this thing is so heavy, and I don't see a benefit at all. I don't see any Flight time, I don't hear the factor of quietness. All I hear is noise, and more noise than usual. So I understand you're trying to make a buck, but these do nothing that you claim. I didn't even put a timer on it because it's a waste of time. It would be a waste of my time to do that. They look nice. The idea is kind of cool. I'd say a four-bladed pattern with a lot less pitch, probably, but these definitely not. I think this was a really bad idea. I don't think it really does anything. And no, I know it doesn't do anything for me. It doesn't add any pleasure in flying this. And all it does is it creates just a big nuisance. So do not buy the Reds. I do not the Reds, but do not buy 3 blades. Stick with your stock props. There's a reason why you have stock props, and that is my suggestion. If Master Airscrew puts out a 6-bladed, a 7 or 8-bladed prop, no. I can see him doing that too. I can see the 8 blades coming out, and I just don't see the durability issue. I just don't see any appreciable benefit. So for Dad Random and the Master Airscrew 3-bladed props, a definite thumbs down. Definite thumbs down. These are coming off the minute I get home, assuming this video works. Later. Bye.